let's enjoy making dandia. So let me show you. Can you see this? We're going to make this dandia with the help of the sheet, the newspaper. So here is the decoration. See, I have done a very light decoration, but now I'm going to decorate with mirror. In case you don't have any decoration thing, not to worry. We are going to use the sketch pen to decorate as well. So let's get started. What are we going to do is we are going to cut it from here, from the center. Here. Okay, so these two sheets are there. Okay, here we go. So I'm just cutting this in the center. Okay, so I don't need this now. We are again going to cut this from the center. I'm going to tell you the measurement. From my end, it is hardly 26. From this, we are going to make a stick. So now we have to make a round, not here, from here. There we go. So roll it, roll it, roll it very, very small. Just a random roll. So now either you can apply a Fevicol here and fix it, or you can also go with the tape. So in pair, we're going to make it. So this is one is ready. Now again, the same thing you will do with the second newspaper. Here we go. So my two sticks are ready with me. So now I'm going to put these sticks right here. All I need is, see, I'm going with a pink sheet. You can go with any of the sheet. Okay. So now this is A4 size pink sheet. Along with that, I am going with green color strip. So the green color strip is approximately 21 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So one, I would be fixing it here. Just give a little bit gap here. And I'm going to fix it here. The second one, I'm going to fix it on this side, but be very careful. This has to come on the front to see both of your size. Which size you feel is better, go with that. Here we go. So once we have fixed this, okay, next step is fold this from the center and cut it. Now, as we making two dandias, our two sheets are ready. You can see. Now pick up any of your sticks, turn this around, and now again we have to do rolling. Okay. All right. So see. My both dandias are ready. All I need to do is I need to decorate it. This is for our decoration purpose. So now you can take both of the sheet together. Hold this like this. Okay. Fold this again like this. So you just need to fold this. And now what you have to do is leave just this much of space, and now we're going to do cutting. How to use it? So this is about 15 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. We have taken two strips, bring it together. So leave little bit from the top and just start cutting straight line. Little bit straight, closer and closer. It should be very, very close to each other. It should not be very far away. Okay. So I've taken both of the sheet together. So I'm just cutting it. Now I'm going to open it up to show you. See. I've just cut it. Nothing else I've done it. I have just cut it. These are the two pieces. I have cut it like this. Just leave little space on the top and just doing the cutting. Okay. So this is one. If you have cut it, just roll it. See, now I'm going to do it like this. So now I just need a ribbon. See, this much of string you need it. You don't need a little bit more. This is absolutely fine. Now I need to fix this here. I would be taking a sellotape. You can also fix it with the help of the fevicol. So I'm going to fix it with the sellotape. I'm going to placing it right here. And I'm going to pull this inside. Like, see, mine is also done. Okay, so I'm going to do it with the second one now. That's a see. If you can see, this is just around here. So now I'm going to fix this inside of my here. See, it is almost ready. And now all I have to do is decorate. I'm having a mirror with me. So you can decorate with mirror. See, this is the mirror. Even you can decorate with these small studs. So here we go. This is the second one. What you can do is slanting line like this, slanting line like this. Okay. So what you can do is you can just go with a design here with the help of the marker. See, like this. It is also looking beautiful. You can also give a little bit design here by putting a dot in the center. See, we have so many options. First, you can decorate with studs. Second, decorate with mirrors. In case you don't have anything, go with this. See, very simple design. You can do this here also, same here. Okay. So for here, what you can do is even you can use beads also. You can have those hanging pom-poms also. Okay. So you can do anything. Even the dandiyas you can make like this. See, do you know what is this? We have taken 2 ribbons with this. So, or you can take 2 sheets and decorate it. So even this is dandiya. Okay. So, okay, kids. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this beautiful Navratri with this beautiful dandiya. See, we can play with this dandiyas, isn't it?